Okay, let me share my screen. Let me know when you are able to see the
Mm.
word. Yeah. Okay. So now we are in very important phase actually. Okay. So here
Can
we
you
will be
make
going
it clear?
to, yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, but your screen is not that much visible.
Now
If
check it.
now it is okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is one of the important phase. Okay. So these are
Mm.
the frequently asked questions that are asked in the latest interviews. Okay. So
Mm.
as of now, almost like, you can understand Scrum words, right? You can understand the
Mm.
Scrum words. You can understand what happening in the Scrum. You know what are the roles in the Scrum. Okay. What are the events in the Scrum. Okay. So all these things you are aware, right? Now, why I
Mm.
am dealing now all this stuff is now it will give you a platform. So all your knowledge till now is scattered like bits and pieces. Now we will connect all the dots. Okay.
Mm.
So yeah, you know many things, but you don't know how they will ask you in the interview. So that is the biggest challenge.
Mm.
Okay, that's why it is very, very important to us to get more focused
Mm.
and you need to understand. I'll give you the access for this. You just take the printouts later part. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You can increase the size of, this text size. You can increase the size and you can take out the printout. So whatever
Okay.
we will discuss, we have to go through again and again, again. Like,
Mm. Mm.
every day you have to see morning and evening this. All these pages you have to talk. At least spend 30 minutes, that's
Mm.
enough. Because
Mm.
it is a technique that your brain will be going to habituated with all these words so that it's very easy for you at the time of the interview. You can easily catch the questions, whatever they're asking. Okay. So that is the one thing.
Mm.
So now see. So in the interview, they're asking a question. What is your favorite event in the Scrum and why?
Mm.
Okay. So now let's see. How many events will be there in the Scrum? Hello?
Hello.
How many events in the Scrum? Did you remember to discuss? Daily stand up?
Daily stand up,
Hmm,
sprint refinement,
exactly, yeah.
sprint review or demo,
Hmm,
sprint retro.
retrospection. Yeah. So, okay, good. At least you are able to, cope up with the things. That's really good. So, in the interview, what they are saying, my favorite event in the Scrum, I would say, Scrum framework defined in such a way, if you remove anything from the framework, okay, it will not
Mm.
add much value. So whatever you feel it doesn't add much value to the project, you can remove it. Okay, because it's a foundation and structure of methodologies that you have the things of the framework. So whatever you see, it's all about whatever the best suitable things for your project. You will implement that. If you feel something is not required, you can remove it. Okay. That is the beauty of the Scrum. So what they are saying, my favorite event is retrospection. Now they are giving the why reason. Retrospection, I play a major role. I means Scrum Master.
Scrum Master.
Okay. I play a major role. It's a technique. It's a meeting where we talk about what did not go well, what went well,
Mm.
and what we can improve together with the team and collaboration and to get the
Get
honest feedback
honest
to
feedback.
improve the
So,
further sprints. Got it right?
Mm.
So they are saying that I am playing a major role. So I like this. That's my favorite event. Because daily, even in the daily stand-up also, you play major role.
Mm.
But but at the end of the sprint, you can take the feedback from the team and you can improve it in the next sprint.
Mm.
So that is there in the retrospection. It's not there in the stand-ups. What you will do, you will just take the status. That's it.
Mm.
But you can't give the improvements, right? In the stand-up.
Yes. Mm.
Because it's stand-up is defined for only 15 minutes. That too, just you have to take the status and remove the improvements. That's it.
Mm.
You should not give lectures on that. Here you
Okay.
can give the lectures. Lectures in the sense not taking the brainwashing class, not like that. So what we will say as a Scrum Master, we need to grow together, learn together, okay? Better
Mm.
implement in the overall feedback. Whatever the feedback,
Mm.
we will take the inputs and we will work on it. We will improve ourselves in the next better version of ours.
Mm.
Okay, in terms of technical, in terms of strong mindset or whatever you would say. Okay, you can say that. And they're explaining some reasons why it is important. Okay, there are three pillars in the Scrum:
Mm.
transparency, inspection, and
Inspection
adoption.
and adoption.
With the help of retrospection, it is one of the best platform or event where we are able to inspect the transparent enough, talk about what we have done, okay, in our sprint. So we are giving an opportunity to each team members to inspect what went well, okay, what are the
Mm.
improvements in the future sprints,
Mm.
okay, we can adopt in the next sprints.
Next point.
So that's the good platform where we can
Together as a
together work
team
up
work.
as a team.
Okay.
So you can gather those areas and you can coach the team. That is what we are saying.
Mm.
So that's why retrospection is something my favorite.
Mm.
So you have the given the justification, right? So we have to be
Mm.
like that. So next you can see 1 second. So this is the one thing. And the next question, refinement and
What
sprint planning.
requirements for them?
Refinement will be taken care by the product. So whenever
Product.
you see a word product, that will be taken care by the product owner. Okay.
Product owner. Mm.
You can see the entire team, including the product owner and developers, they will sit together and talk about their functionalities, what they are going to deliver in the next upcoming sprints.
Mm.
Okay, whatever they are going to deliver, that should be like high business value.
Mm.
Okay, that is what their agenda. And during the refinement meetings, Scrum Masters. So as we are a Scrum Master, we will facilitate the meeting. Okay,
Mm.
and trying to understand what the developers and QA able to, they are able to learn and understanding the functionality or not. That is what we will check. See, it's very simple. Whenever they are discussing something, we have to cross check whether they are able to understand or not the
Yes.
functionality level. That is what we have to cross check with them. So you need to ask the questions to the team. Are you able to understand the functionality? Okay, are you
Mm.
guys clear on the requirement, whatever the product owner is saying? Okay, now you
Mm.
guys tell me how much time it may take to complete this. So you'll ask all these questions.
Mm.
Okay, so that it will be easy to prioritize all the things. Okay. And sprint planning meeting. It means internal meeting.
Mm.
After the product owner, you will ask your team to join and they will give the how many story points it will take. Okay.
Mm.
Here also, product owner will prioritize the user stories, high priority things. Those only we will take it and we will deliver it. So let's see. So to deliver some shippable increment in the sense sprint. Okay. At the end of the
Mm.
sprint, so
Mm.
choosing the user stories, developers to commit the following the user story, that these are the ones they are able to deliver with the help of the sprint goal. They will be able to come out with this the functionality after end of the sprint. See, whatever is a high priority user stories and it will make some meaningful product, those things we have to deliver. So in refinement, it should be whatever the team should be a good observer and good listener
Mm.
because they have to ask the right questions, right? Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is what we need to explain to the interviewer in the interview. If somebody asks you what is the refinement, what is the product refinement, what is the sprint refinement, whenever you heard something about the product, so it belongs to the product owner.
Mm.
Okay, product backlog, product owner will take care.
Mm.
Sprint backlog, you as a Scrum Master
Scrum
or
Master.
development leads will take care.
Mm.
Okay. Now
Research and analyze.
I remove. Okay, I don't want to make you confused. Okay. Now, so now you can see some MVP,
Mm.
minimum viable product.
Whatever.
Have you ever heard about this MVP and MMP?
Marketable product.
Okay, MVP and MMP. Okay.
MMP.
Now I'll tell you. MVP is nothing but a POC, you can say. Okay. Proof of concept. So whatever minimal features, okay, that we are going to make available to the public. Okay. Now, in early 2000, 2013, 14, I think so. At that time, you know, right? Paytm.
Mm.
Paytm is just for recharges. Do you
Yes.
remember that? Okay. So
Mm.
that is their Paytm's MVP. Only recharges.
Mm.
So once recharges all, they got huge response from public, and then they started some utilities. Then they started some bus booking. Okay.
Mm.
Then IRCTC. After all this e-commerce, now banking. They're into banking as well.
Mm.
So what is their MVP? Recharges are the
Minimum.
minimum viable product is MVP. They got
Hmm.
succeed. So they slowly implemented the rest all. So they've taken the feedback from recharges. Okay. The same example for MMP. So what they did as MMP marketable product and minimum marketable product. So instead of depending on the big stars to campaign, so what they have did, they said referral. If you refer a guy, you will get 30 rupees recharge to the. Do you remember this? Same Paytm. Okay, at that
Hmm.
time, if you refer a person, they will get some 30% recharge. Okay. And if you recharge 100 rupees, you will get 5 rupees cashback.
Cashback.
Hmm. So these are their marketing strategies. Minimum marketable product. They came up with some sort of solutions and they implemented. They got succeed. So okay, let me
Hmm.
open Paytm. See, initially there is only one that is their MVP. Now these are all their implementation. Got it right? Still they are
Hmm.
giving some recharges, win 100 rupees cashback, some promos, right?
Yes.
So you can see utilities, DTH, FASTag, loan EMI. So you can see their businesses, online business, payment gateways. You can see payments, loans, stocks, ticket bookings, insurance, gas, whatever. Okay, you can see a lot of things in the Paytm,
Hmm.
but they started with only these recharges. That
Hmm.
is their MVP. Okay, so if you give this kind of example, people won't ask you much questions. They will be pretty happy with these answers. Okay. Minimum viable product is the minimum features that you should develop, the minimum functionality that you should be have will tell you us which will help you us ensuring our assumptions are made correct. So whatever our assumptions are there, it will check whether it is correct or not. That's it. So
Hmm.
they did recharges, their assumptions are correct. Okay. Then they started developing the big product.
Hmm.
Got it right? Hello, Madhurima, you there?
Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Now you are audible. Okay, hope you are clear on MVP and MMP.
Yes.
Okay, so this is also very, very important. Spike. A spike is a user story that needs more information to the team to estimate how long it will take to complete. Okay, spike that cannot be estimated until dev team runs in the time boxed investigation, usually
You should
to
create
create resolve some technical issues
issues and
and the design of the
design.
project. Okay. Spike is a user story or a peak which developers doesn't have the clear requirements, clear understanding. Okay. Now I'll tell you. So I'll show you how Spike looks like. Whenever you click on the create issue, you can see bug, story, task, epic, right? Similarly, you can see a spike. Hello,
Hello?
Madhurima, you are able to see,
Hello.
right?
Uh, kind of. Okay, but it's okay. Spike I saw, but it's not that much clear.
Okay, let me zoom it down. Okay, I think, what am I on? Are you able to see this now? Okay, let me open the image. I think now you can able to see. Madhurima, hello.
Spike. Ah, okay, now.
So whenever you click on the create an issue, it will also appear like this. Okay.
Okay.
So actually we are using some basic version of Jira, right? It may not visible now. Okay. Once you join in any organization, you will get the actual Jira, right? So this is the additional feature. We are using sample version, right? Free version.
Yes, please.
That's why these many options not available. But
Yes,
once you
bug
join in
story task
organization,
epic is there.
so these are two additional things. So spike is important. Okay. So this spike, let me go. So whenever the product owner creates some user story, okay, let me explain you a scenario. We'll understand this spike. Okay, user story is there. Product owner created, and developers raised some questions. Okay,
Mm.
so PO said, okay, I'll give clarity. It will take 2 weeks of time. Okay, then
Okay.
your user story should be changed to spike. Okay, spike in the sense needs more information. Simply,
Mm.
see, I want to make it very simple. So that's why I'm giving, I'm using simple words because you have to remember, right? If you
Mm.
so the concept is very important. So if you are able to explain the concept in the interview, then people will like your profile.
Mm.
So that's why I'm saying all this. Okay. Now, hope you are clear, right?
Yes.
Product owner explained the story. Developer raised
Mm.
some concerns.
Mm.
PO said, I need 2 weeks of time.
Mm.
Then you will convert that story into spike. That's it.
Spike.
Yeah, this is also very important. Technical depth. Depth in the means something is left, right?
Mm.
So let me Google. Jew, right?
Money that is good. Mm.
Okay. Depth means something is left over. Okay.
Let-
Left over. Okay, let me close this. Yeah. Now, developer developed a login functionality. Okay. So tester started testing. Tester is saying, when I'm trying to log in, it is taking 15 seconds
Mm.
to log in. Okay. As per functionality, it should be login within 5 seconds. It means issue with performance issue. Am I right?
Mm.
You got my point, right?
Yes.
Developer developed a functionality. Tester tested
Mm.
it. It
Yes.
is
Mm.
taking 15 seconds to log in.
15.
It should be login within 5 seconds as per the
Okay.
document. So
Mm.
now it has become a performance issue.
Performance issue. Mm.
Okay. But it is working. You have to understand it is working but late.
Mm.
Those kind of things we will keep it in the technical depths. Okay. You got my
Okay.
point,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So some people will say tech debt as well. So now see, technical debt is if each developer has developed the tight deadlines, okay, to deliver something in the shortcut. Okay, they want to refactor the performance of the functionality so that technical debt is just becoming the some deadlines to be delivered in the functionality, not the perfect code. You can see
Mm.
they are able to deliver it, but it is not the perfect code.
Perfect code. Mm.
Then it needs the improvement, and that is we call it as a technical debt.
Technical debt.
Got it right?
Mm.
Are you clear till now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now, so this is also very, very important. You have to pay attention. Now,
Okay, just hold
so for sure they will ask this question, but the question will come in the different forms.
on.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
DOR.
DOR.
Okay,
Definition of
I'll
good.
exactly. Okay, good user story. Okay, invest principle. These three questions, if somebody asks you, Madhurima, could you please explain about a DOR? Okay. And the
Mm.
second question, the same question they will ask in the different way is,
Okay.
what is the criteria, to say that it's a good user story?
Okay.
Okay. And they will ask a direct question. Madhurima, could you please explain what is invest principle and why it is important? Where you will
Mm.
apply this? Okay. These
Mm.
are three different questions. So now you can see, let me copy this. It's all about invest principle. Okay.
Mm.
I stands for independent.
Independent.
The story should be independent.
Mm.
Means it should not have dependence on other ticket. Okay.
At that.
Negotiable means you should be able to discuss.
Mm.
Be able to discuss. Okay. Valuable business value. So I'll tell you. Add value to the business. Okay.
Mm.
Estimable. You should able to estimate. Okay, like a one
Mm.
story point, two story points, three or five or eight, something like that. Got it right?
Yes.
Sized. So it should be sized. It should be minimum one and a maximum eight story pointer.
Mm.
Testable. Definitely, whatever you develop should be able to test
That
it.
should be testable. Mm.
Then it's said as a good user story. So, or else people will say definition of ready. Who's supposed to work on this? Who is the responsible person? Yes.
Developers and testers.
No. Product owner. Because good user story, na user story should be created by the product owner.
Product owner.
Hmm. Okay. These kind of the tricky questions. You know answer. You know answer, right? But
Mm.
you have to guess the question. You have to understand the question whenever they are asking.
Mm.
That is the tricky part in the Scrum.
Mm.
Most of the things you are aware of that, but you have to analyze that part. This is the question belongs to this.
Mm.
Okay. So that is the most challenging part as well. So that's why I'm saying. So this document I give you the access. Okay.
Mm.
Just share me your mail ID. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give the access. Just take the
Mm.
printouts. Okay.
Mm.
Put it in the
Okay.
some binding. Keep some binding or something.
Okay.
You just repeat every day. Just to have a look on the high level. Half an hour.
Mm.
Okay. Whenever you get that time, it is like your Bible or whatever. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
Until you get the job.
Yeah.
So it's clear, right? So I'll stop it
Yes.
here in the good user
Okay.
story. Okay, I'll mark a note. So 24, 25. Yep, I'll stop it here. So we'll check
Okay.
these things tomorrow. If you get some chance, just you can also have a look on this
Sure.
because these are the things we already covered actually. Boundary chart, you know, right?
Yes.
Ah, if you
Let
want, you can, yeah. If you want, you can have a high level view. Just go through that. You can mark it whatever you were not aware. We can discuss in detail. But I'll cover
Okay.
it on the high level, all this, because you are already aware. It's just like a recap. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
And again, I'll cover some testing topics. I'll cover some SQL topics as well.
Okay.
Okay. So we will
Okay.
discuss those as well. We will discuss the project as well. And we will try to explain to blend all these things with the project. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Madhuri. I'll catch you
Yeah.
tomorrow. I'll share
Sure.
you this regarding in couple of minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for joining. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.